In this video, you are going to show that the derivative of tan x is equal to sec squared x. So tan x is equivalent to sin x divided by cos x. So to differentiate, we are going to have this. So the derivative of tan of x is the same as the derivative of sin of x divided by cos of x. So to differentiate this, we are going to use what is called quotient rule. So letting sin x to be equal to function of gx and the cos x to be equal to function of fx, then we are going to have, so defining the quotient rule, when you have a differential of g of x of f of x, it is given by the numerator function differentiated multiplied by the denominator minus the numerator function multiplied by the denominator differentiated divided by the square of the denominator. So differentiating g of x, which is sin x, then the difference of sin x is cos x, and the differential of cos x is negative sin x. Then what we are going to do, we are going to substitute g prime, that is differential of sin x, and multiply with f. Also, we shall g of x and multiply with the sine of x. So substituting g prime, which is cos x, and multiply with f, which is cos x. Then we subtract g of x, which is sin x, and multiplying by f prime, which is negative sin x. Cos x squared will give us, so this will be equal to cos of x squared. Here we have minus, and the minus which will become plus sine of x squared divided by cos of x squared. Now from the identity, cos x squared plus sin x squared, this is equal to 1 divided by cos of x squared, which is equal to sec of x squared. From the fact that 1 over cos is equal to sec, hence the derivative of tan of x is equal to sec of x squared. From the fact that sin x squared plus cos x squared is equal to 1, and 1 divided by cos of x is equal to sec of x. In this proof, we have made use of what is called quotient rule, which tells you that in case you have function g divided by function f, then the formula is you differentiate the numerator function and multiplying by the denominator. You subtract the product of the numerator multiplying by the differential function of the denominator, and you divide by the denominator squared. That is the rule we have employed in this case. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with us, whereby you are going to show that when you differentiate tan x with respect to x, the result will be sec squared x, from the fact that tan x is equal to sine of x divided by cos of x, by use of quotient rule, whereby we have made the substitution that sin x is equal to function of gx and the cos x is equal to function of f of x, and we have made use of this formula here and made the substitution as indicated here, after making use of this identity of sin squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1, and the fact that 1 over cos x is equal to sec x. We have shown that when we differentiate tangent with respect to x, the result will be cos sec squared x. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. You can subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. Bye bye for now.